Hi guys, so today let me give you a quick tour of the toilet, shower, and bath dito sa hotel. So this is where the shower area is. Yung shower may hot and cold siya. Tapos naka-built-in na rin yung conditioner, shampoo, and shower gel from Crabtree. Eto naman, may nakahang na towel. May dividing glass siya para hindi lumagpas yung tubig. Tapos very organized yan, malinis. And then, I also want to share with you etong toilet bowl, which is nakahanging siya. So, if ever magpagawa kayo ng toilet, mas okay tong ganitong setup kasi mas madali na siyang malinis. Merong mga tissue rolls. Etong pampalinis. Ito yung flush button. Merong rubbish can. Ito yung mga towels available. Dito naman may hand wash at saka body lotion. Yung mirror, ang ganda. Ganda ng lighting, o diba? Tapos dito sa Europe, tap water is safe to drink. O diba? Amazing. Tapos meron din palang hair dryer. So ayun, so if ever magpagawa kayo ng future nyo na mga toilet, bath, and shower, this is really a good idea. Perfect lang talaga siya. Kaya amazing. Gusto ko yung konsepto na to. O, diba? Quick tour tayo. Ayan, quick run through. Pack na pack. Very welcoming. As in, welcoming talaga siya. Boom.